What is an accent wall? An accent wall is typically an interior wall, the design of which is different from others around it. The accent wall may feature a different color, material, or pattern than the other walls in your home. Besides giving your bedroom a much-needed change in design, an accent wall can fool the eye into making the room appear smaller or larger, longer or shorter. To get started, you'll need to choose which wall you want to accent. Once you decide which wall to use, then comes the creative part of choosing a color. How to choose which wall and color to use. Choosing the right wall is the first step to an eye-catching accent wall. A poor choice could mean the difference between a room that's well put together and a room that just seems off. Whichever wall you choose, be confident there's a reason to draw attention to it. In general, the right wall to accent is usually the first one that you see when you enter a room. You and your guest will always have it in view. Look for other architectural clues such as fireplace, columns, architectural nooks, or walls that stick out more. These will ensure that the accent wall is the intended focal point. The wall you choose should preferably be symmetrical. Avoid walls that have a slope, windows of different sizes, or odd niches. Placing your accent wall on the wall you face regularly is a great idea. You'll utilize the natural line of sight in the room, which will enhance the focal nature of the feature wall. Walls that don't have interruptions, such as doors, windows, or built-ins, are great contenders for an accent color. Common examples of these are walls behind sofas and beds. If a potential accent wall is already mainly hidden by other furnishings like art, floor lamps, tall furniture, or window treatments, painting it wouldn't add anything to the room. And if you can't find the right accent wall, consider the fifth wall, the ceiling. A white ceiling heightens a room, while a darker color makes the room appear cozier. Now that you've found the perfect wall, it's time to pick a color. Choosing a color is a little easier when you know how each color may influence your space. Warm colors such as orange, yellow, and red make a space appear smaller because the wall is pulled towards the eye. Cool colors such as green, blue, and purple make a small bedroom appear larger because it pulls the wall away from the eye. A monochromatic accent wall will have a subtle effect in a bedroom. If your room walls are painted a neutral color, go a shade or two deeper for a saturated tone of the same color for your accent wall. And if you want your space to scream in color, but you only seem to have white walls and white furniture, you can try putting on more than one color on your walls. Try on some wallpaper or paint a mural. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Accent walls sound like the perfect solution to every homeowner's decorating dilemma. But accent walls are trickier than you'd think to get right. So avoid a case of homeowners' regret by doing it right the first time. Avoid these common mistakes with accent walls. Mistake number 1. Making the room too dark. One reason a lot of homeowners decide to paint an accent wall is to brighten the room up or give the room some drama. After all, it gives your eyes some much needed interest. But with deeper hues, though they may be more interesting than the paint color of the rest of your room, will almost certainly end up darkening the room overall. In this example, you can see that the black accent wall has been placed in a room with very little natural light. And even though the space is not fully furnished, you can tell right away that it will feel too dark. If you still want a dark wall in your space, our suggestion would be to use a dark gray and place the wall where there would be more natural light. Mistake number 2. Painting an accent wall in a room that's too large. Accent walls are perfect for small rooms like bathrooms, bedrooms, or even small nooks like a breakfast nook or an office nook. But if you have an open floor plan and large walls that can be seen from everywhere on the floor, that single accent wall might end up overpowering everything else. In this example, you can see that the largest wall in the room has been painted this dark blue color, and what it does is keep drawing your eye to look at the wall, making it feel overpowering. If you would like to paint a living room wall in such an eye-catching color, our suggestion would be to paint the back wall behind the sofa, for example, so you can see it when walking around, but it will not overpower the room. Mistake number 3. Picking the color without thinking of the furnishings in the room. Here's something you might not have considered before. It's much easier to match the paint color to your furnishings than match the furnishings to your paint color. In this example, you can see that there's a lot going on without being cohesive. Every item in the room wants to be the main focal point, creating a kind of power struggle. Our suggestion would be to pick a common denominator. In this example, the gold accent. If you look closely, the mirror edge, the light fixture, the tray, and chair handles all have gold in them, making it look cohesive. Conclusion. These easy and stylish color accents will always be popular because of their flexibility. You have unlimited paint options for your accent wall, as well as other surfaces and materials. Even the location of your accent wall is purely personal. Remember that all of the things that we talked about in this video are not definite rules set in stone, but more guidelines of what to keep in mind, especially when doing this for the first time. Your home is unique, and so your accent walls should be just as special. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos.